Swapping interior hardware finishes in new home construction instantly updates both aesthetics and usability. When planning an interior hardware finish upgrade, start by creating a simple inventory of every door, cabinet, and drawer to ensure consistency and avoid mismatched pieces later. Prioritize replacing knobs with levers where occupants have limited hand strength, because levers are easier to operate and improve accessibility without complex modifications. Specify soft close hinges and drawer slides at the design stage so installers can recess mounting plates and routings are correct, which prevents late-stage rework and noisy closures. Choose durable finishes such as satin, nickel, or oil-rubbed bronze because they tolerate cleaning and daily wear better than plated finishes, and they age predictably. Ask your supplier for finish maintenance guidelines and cross-reference the manufacturer part numbers to guarantee color and sheen match. Standardize keying for locks when ordering so multiple doors can share a single key or be grouped logically for family members and service providers, and document key codes for future reorders to avoid costly rekeying. Set handle and lock heights to be Americans with Disabilities Act friendly by measuring from finished floor to center line, and confirm in the field before rough trim to prevent reinstallation. Common mistakes include ordering mixed finishes that clash because samples were not checked under the home lighting, so always view finish samples in the actual space and at different times of day. Another frequent issue is neglecting functional upgrades like soft close hardware, which leads to premature wear and noise. Include these items on the punch list and verify operation during final walkthrough. A third problem is inconsistent lock keying that causes confusion and wasted rekeying costs. Resolve this by specifying key-to-like groups on the purchase order and keeping a recorded key schedule. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and tools for planning interior hardware upgrades, so we help match style preferences and functional needs with available pros. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share installation tips, finish samples, and contractor experiences to help everyone make better choices.